What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. In this week's video, we're going to be checking out a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom townhome here in San Antonio de la Capan. Come on in guys. Property is listed for $340,000 US. There's space for 2 vehicles just about under the carport. The lot size is 260 square meters and the construction is 265 square meters. It does have the main principal bedroom downstairs with a walk-in closet and an ensuite bathroom, so you could actually live on the first level. And you come into this double height living and dining room area, which is topped off with a boveda. Because of the height of the ceiling, it gives this room a real freshness when you walk in. On my left-hand side here, you have a half bathroom for your guests. I really like the design of this room. It feels very, very airy because of the double height ceilings. The whole property kind of wraps around this middle courtyard area. The house is actually being sold with appliances. So we have a really nice sized kitchen here. The house is brand new and really all it needs is someone to come in here and give their personal touches to it. So coming from the kitchen, here we have the laundry area that you can turn into a bit of a pantry storage. And if you're wondering, this is where we have the principal bedroom, so you can actually come out from the principal bedroom into the courtyard too. It's a very nice covered patio here that you could easily put a nice dining room table. Okay, coming into the principal bedroom, on the main level, this is a really good sized room. It wouldn't be a principal bedroom without a walk-in closet, and this walk-in closet does not disappoint. Plenty of storage space either side here. Running off from the closet, we have the ensuite bathroom. We have a double sink here with some more cabinetry underneath for storage. I like what they've done here with this contemporary modern tile work for the walk-in shower. So let me take you upstairs to check out the other 2 bedrooms. So on the second level now, what I like about this bedroom is that it actually has a little outside patio area. Plenty of built-ins here. Now I don't know if you can see it, I'm just going to put the camera up here, but just check out the views. Here on my right hand side is the upstairs full bathroom, another great size walk-in shower. And this would be in here, the 3rd bedroom. Lots more storage here in the built-ins. One of my favorite things about this property is the mirador. The views are pretty spectacular. So there we have it guys, I hope you've liked the video today. As per usual, all the information will be down below in the description. If you want to come and see this house or any other house for that matter here in Lake Chapala, feel free to send me an email. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification button and give the video a thumbs up if you want to get more videos from me all about the real estate market here in Mexico. And if you haven't already, remember subscribe to my free monthly newsletter, link in the description. Saying that guys, I hope you've enjoyed the video today. Please leave in the comment section down below what you think about this beautiful little townhouse here in San Antonio de la Capan. Thank you all for watching. Hasta luego amigos.